This video you're seeing right now was made from a single prompt in under 10 minutes using AI. Today, I'll walk you through the exact workflow I used to create this 3D cartoon style AI video step by step. By the end, you'll be able to create videos like this with no filming, animating, or manual editing. Let's get started. Before we generate the video, the first thing we need is a good prompt. And these 3D cartoon style videos work the best when a story is broken into clear visual scenes. A good story only needs three main things: a main character, a challenge the character is trying to overcome, and a clear ending. And to generate this, we're going to use ChatGPT. For this example, I'll keep it simple and use a cartoon style story idea. I'll paste in a prompt like this, which you can see on the screen right now. Then I'll add my idea. For example, a small robot explores a colorful city and learns how to help others using its unique abilities. What we're looking here is a scene-based output, something like Scene 1, the robot waking up in the city; Scene 2, discovering a problem; Scene 3, trying to help; Scene 4, facing a challenge; Scene 5, solving the problem; Scene 6, a positive ending. Each scene doesn't need to be long, it just needs clearly describe what is happening visually. I'll leave this prompt in the description below so you can reuse it when generating scripts for your own cartoon style videos. You would just simply use the main prompt and then just insert a short sentence describing your video idea, including the main character, the environment, and the goal they're trying to achieve. So now that our prompt is ready, let's move into generating the actual video. To turn our script into an AI generated video, I'm going to use a software called Magic Light. If you want to follow along, you can try it out yourself by tapping the first link in the video description. Once you're logged in, click Story to Video, and this is where the real magic happens. So the first thing we're going to do is paste in the script we just generated. This is why we broke the story into scenes earlier. Magic Light uses the structure to automatically build the video. Next, we need to choose our aspect ratio. For this example, I'm going to select landscape since we're creating a long form video, but Magic Light also supports vertical portrait videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. And I'll show you exactly how to do that later in the video. After that, select your video language. Magic Light supports multiple languages, so your video doesn't have to be in English. For this example, I'll stick with English. Now we need to choose the story model. Magic Light recently added ChatGPT 5 and Gemini 3. For this video, I'm going to go with Gemini 3 since it does a great job maintaining structure while keeping the story natural. Next is the style model, and this is where you can really change the look of your video. As you can see, there are a lot of different styles to choose from. For this, I'm going to use the Midjourney model, which gives really strong detail and consistent character design. From there, I'll select the 3D cartoon. This style gives you clean visuals, depth, and that animated 3D cartoon look we're going for. On the right side, you'll also notice a section showcasing viral trending story videos. If you ever struggle with script ideas, this is a great place to get inspiration. You can watch what's already working and model your own stories in a similar format. Next, we choose the video duration. For this example, I'll go with a 3 to 5 minute video. Once everything is set, just click next. Magic Light now automatically generates a full synopsis of the video, including the voiceover script. You can edit the script if you want, but for this example, I'll leave it as it is and click next. After that, Magic Light automatically detects the characters in the story. If you want to change or replace them, you can do it right here, but in my case, everything looks good, so I'll just click next. Now we're in the storyboard view. On the left, you'll see all the generated scenes. You can adjust the voiceover speed here and choose a different narrator voice if you want to. Once everything looks good, click next, select animate all scenes, and confirm. Alright, here we can choose the animation model. Magic Light offers multiple options depending on quality and speed. For higher quality motion and cleaner environments, I recommend using Kling 2.1. Once that's selected, click confirm, choose your caption style, and start the video generation. Alright, after about 10 minutes, the video is done, and this is the final result. Honestly, it's wild that you can create all of this just from a single prompt. Now that we have our long form video, the next step is turning this into short form content. And the best part is we don't need to start from scratch. Magic Light makes this incredibly easy. To create a short form version, we'll use the exact same script and workflow in the story to video feature. The only thing we're changing is the aspect ratio. This time, instead of selecting landscape, I'll switch the aspect ratio to portrait. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. You don't need to rewrite the story or generate a new script. We can reuse the same prompt and the same scenes we used for the long form video. Magic Light automatically adapts the visuals to fit the vertical format. For short form content, I usually keep the video much shorter. In this case, I'll select custom and set the duration to around 30 to 60 seconds, which works well across all platforms. Once that's set, click next and follow the same steps as before. Magic Light will once again generate a storyboard, detect the characters, and animate the scenes automatically. And after a few minutes, the vertical video is ready. And this is the final result. Now, this is where things get really powerful. You can publish the long form video on YouTube and then post multiple short form videos based on the same story. And these short form videos drives traffic back into your main video. And on YouTube Shorts, you can even link directly to your long form YouTube videos. Okay, now I want to show you an even faster way to generate 3D cartoon style videos using Magic Light's one-click video feature powered by Sora 2. This is perfect for creating high quality videos with very minimal setup. The first thing we need to do is choose the video style. As you can see, there are a lot of different options here, ranging from 3D cartoon, 90s anime, and more. For this one, I'll stick with 3D cartoon style since that's the look we've been using throughout the video, and I'll generate this as a short form video. I'm going to generate a new short form script using the same scene-based process with ChatGPT that I showed you earlier. Once the script is ready, I'll paste it directly into one-click video and Magic Light will handle the rest. One-click video feature also lets you choose a directing mode. You can select from options like auto mode, story mode, cinematic mode, action mode, and more. For this example, I'll choose auto mode, which gives you balanced result without needing to tweak anything manually. Since we're creating a short form video, I'll set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is ideal for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Once everything is set, click create and Magic Light will start generating the video. It analyzes the story you provided, automatically creates scenes, and builds the animation for you. Now we move into the video generation phase, and after about a few minutes, the video is finished. And here's how it looks like.
Cable integrity critical. Structural risk detected.
Everyone move! The bridge
Engaging anchor mode. Loading tension 40%.
Now, this looks really good, and I can already see how well this could perform on short form platforms. What I really like about this feature is how convenient it is, because Magic Light automatically generates a high quality thumbnail image that you can use when posting this short on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. You can also edit the thumbnail text right here and switch between different thumbnail templates if you want to customize it further. On top of that, Magic Light instantly generates a title summary and irrelevant hashtags, which you can use when posting the video. And once you're happy with the result, just click download to export all of the generated assets, and from there you can upload everything directly to the platform of your choice. That's how you go from a simple idea to a fully generated 3D cartoon style AI video using Magic Light. If you want to try Magic Light yourself, you can tap on the first link in the video description to get started. Using my link, you'll also get a 5% bonus on any plan that you choose. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.